CarLoanMarket.com presents How to Get a Car Loan Even If You Have Bad Credit. So you need to get a car loan to help you get that car you've been dreaming about. But you got a little problem, because it seems your credit score is a little low, and maybe your debt is a little high.
About what?
But the truth is, you can still get a car loan even if you have bad credit. There are just some things you need to know and do to make sure that even though your credit isn't so good, you can still get a loan that won't take all your jack every month. First, make sure you know your credit score so you know where you stand. Generally speaking, the lower your score, the more difficult it will be to get an auto loan. Also, check your credit report to make sure there aren't incorrect items showing that might make your credit score look worse than it really is. Essentially, the more problem areas on your credit report mean that lenders are going to be less likely to want to loan you money. But that said, even if you've gone through bankruptcy, you can still probably get a car loan. So don't get upset, because that can lead to all sorts of health issues like indigestion. Once you know your particular situation, then find a good and reputable lender.
Hey, buddy, you want to get a car loan?
He's probably not very good. You can find out how good a lender is by checking with the Better Business Bureau, as well as searching out other places on the web that can tell you about businesses. That can help keep you from getting ripped off. There are a lot of lenders that specialize in getting car loans for people who have bad credit. Even if you're in bankruptcy, these lenders can help you get an auto loan. You just need to find the good ones. Websites like CarLoanMarket.com can help people find these types of specialist lenders. Once you have a good lender, don't just talk about your monthly payment on the car loan. Make sure you know your interest rate and how long you'll be making the payments for. Your interest rate is how much your lender will charge you for the use of their money when they give you a car loan. A low interest rate is good. A high interest rate, not so good. The longer your payment terms, the more you'll pay over the life of the loan. You also want to watch out for hidden fees and other costs that can get added onto your loan. These can drive up your payment and cost you money. The good news is that even if you have bad credit, you can still get an auto loan. It just won't be as good of a deal than if you had good credit. In the end, you'll probably pay a higher interest rate on your auto loan if you have poor credit, and you may have to make payments over a longer period to be able to afford the car you want. But that may be the only way you can get a loan and get a car if your credit isn't so hot. Again, if you're working with a good lender, especially one that specializes in bad credit loans, you're more likely to get the best deal for your situation. At CarLoanMarket.com, we want to help you get an auto loan even if you have bad credit. CarLoanMarket.com. Drive your dreams.